Automotive sales professionals, car salesmen, car saleswomen, managers, dealer principals. If you need help at your dealership TOing deals, or if you need help with saving deals and finding opportunities, all you have to do is be part of our Dealer Synergy monthly support program. We literally co-manage the internet department and the showroom for you. And what we have is staff from former sales managers, former GSMs, former special finance managers, internet directors, BDC directors on staff. And we literally, part of our normal service is doing TOs. And folks, I'm gonna tell you, this is crazy. We have clients that set up a voice over IP from their dealership, a direct line to Dealer Synergy. We've got some dealerships that have a Spanish line and they have an English line. So if they have a Hispanic customer that they don't have anybody right then and there that could answer their questions, we actually have a Spanish division run by V Vega, where her first language is Spanish. So we can do TO phone calls for Hispanic customers and for English customers. We have situations where, if a dealership doesn't have a TO manager available, instead of making the prospect sit and go cold, the dealership reaches out to Dealer Synergy support line and we do the TOs, we get the appointments, and we put the deal together for you guys. Or let's just say a customer says, I changed my mind, or it's a dead deal for whatever reason, we do save a deals. Folks, leads cost money, opportunities cost money, and what costs the most money is that missed opportunity. So don't burn through ups, don't burn through leads, and don't settle for mediocrity, and don't settle for a no. Reach out to Dealer Synergy. And if you're not on our monthly support program, you better ask somebody how to get going.